Hi there. In this video, we're going to add the remote gateway 3, to be managed by our management server. Recall that our management server sits in the network 10.1.1 behind those gateways. And what we're going to do is to make the management reach that gateway through an external IP address. In previous videos, we had configured manually a NAT rule, but I removed that NAT rule, and we're going to add an automatic NAT rule by adding to the management server properties. And here we're going to select automatic translation rules, and we're going to use static. This is a 101, 1-to-1 NAT. And we're going to choose the IP 3.1.0.1. I confirm that it's available. And we're going to install just on cluster, and we're going to apply for security gateway control connections. And one thing you might notice is that I've added also a new rule, and this is the SMS to outbound rule. Basically, it's just allowing the gateway to get to any destination in any port. And I'm going to install this. In some situations, you might want to remove the currently installed policy by running the command firewall unload local. And when we check, so right now the gateway doesn't have any policy installed, so it's just routing the traffic. It's not enforcing any traffic, it's not inspecting any traffic. So our policy was installed successfully. So let's now add the gateway. Just going to select classic mode. And here we type the name. And it's 203.0.1.1.3.100. And communication, here we type the C key. And it established the trust. It's okay, and then it's going to pop up the interface, and this is internal interface, this is the external. If we want, we can confirm this. Okay, let's press OK. And install the change. Okay, so now it's going to update the changes we've made. And the next step is going to be to attach the license to the gateway. And as you saw in previous videos, we are using Smart Update for that. Manage license and package. Previously, I had some issues using the license tab in this R81 version, but I was told that they would fix this in an update. Okay, so let's attach the license. Can select anyone. Okay, and okay, so the license is attached to the gateway. Now it's going to take some time until the license gets activated, but we can see that so far it's working just fine. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install a remote gateway. So in the next videos, we're going to create a policy package for this gateway. And policy package think I mentioned this earlier, but consider these rules that being part of a package, okay? And these package of rules, they are only being deployed to the gateway cluster. And what we're going to do is to create another package of policy rules that will be explicitly for the gateway 3. And we'll see this in the following videos. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.